Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to lock WhatsApp Web on laptop or PC. So, let's get started. First things first. Click on this three dots button. Then click on Settings. Then click on Privacy section. Then swipe down and click on App Lock. Then check this option. Then you have to create password and retype it again. After typing it, click on OK. And now your password is created. You can change setting on after how long it should ask password. And now when I open WhatsApp Web, it tells me to give password first. Then the app open. To remove password you have to log out and then log in to WhatsApp. And that's how you lock WhatsApp Web on laptop or PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.